good day to all mathematicians out there. So for today's video, we are going to recall the concept of addition and subtraction of dissimilar fraction, and we will also add and subtract rational algebraic expression with unlike denominators. So, how we are going to add and subtract dissimilar fractions? Of course, by using different strategies, steps, and process to add and subtract the rational algebraic expression. By adding and subtracting dissimilar fractions, first, we must find the LCD or the least common denominator, and second, solve for the numerator and simplify. So I have constructed here an example, which is 3 over 3 plus 1 over 6. So first, we must find the LCD, which is 6. So 6 divided by 3, 2 times 3 equals 6. Plus 6 divided by 6 equals 1 times 1 equals 1. So 6 plus 1 equals 7, and copy the denominator. So the answer for this problem is 7 over 6. So another example is the subtraction of dissimilar fraction. So first we are going to find the LCD, which is 8. Then 8 divided by 4 equals 2 times 4 equals 8. Minus 8 divided by 8 equals 1 times 1 equals 1. So we can simplify this. So 8 minus 1 equals 7 over 8. So this is the final answer. So now, we are going to solve the addition and subtraction of rational algebraic expression with unlike denominators. So for us to be able to solve the algebraic expression, so it is easy for us to solve if the denominator is like. So how about the denominator is unlike? So in this video, we are going to find a solution in solving the addition and subtraction of rational algebraic expression. Okay, by doing that, so first we are going to factors the denominator completely. Second is we're going to find the LCD or the least common denominator. Third is write the equivalent expression of each rational expression using the LCD. And lastly, add or subtract the numerators and keep the LCD.
For example, here 5 over 8m squared and raised to 4 plus 2 over 6m cubed n. Okay, so look at first the denominator if like or unlike. So what is our first step? Factors the denominator completely. We can get the denominator of this rational expression. So first is 8m squared n to the raised to, then 6m cubed n. So let's get their denominators and get their factors. So this one can be written into exponential notation, which is 2 cubed or 2 raised to 3. And okay, the m squared and the n raised to 4. And later, I will explain how the LCD of the denominator is unlike. And for 6, we have 2 times 3, m cubed and n. So our goal here is to find the factors which is the same with the other denominator. So here, I can use 2 times 3 so that there is the same 2. Okay, the n cubed and then n. Now, what we are going to do, if we already get the factors, we must get the value that which has the highest degree or exponent. So here at 2, they have the same 2. So we can get 2 raised to cube because its exponent is 3, which is higher than 2. Next, 3. Since there is no 3, other 3 there, so we can write 3 raised to 1. And for m, we'll get m raised to 3 because it has the highest degree. And for n, we will get n raised to 4. In finding the LCD, we will get the highest degree of the exponent. And after this, we can go into simplify. So we are now 2 cubed m raised to 3 and n raised to 4. So let us now find the LCD and let us simplify again. We have here 2 cubed, or we can work it as 8, and the 3m raised to 3 times n raised to 4. Let us now solve. 8 times 3 equals 24, and let us copy the literal coefficient, and we have m raised to 3 and n raised to 4. So therefore, our LCD is 24, m raised to 3 and raised to 4. We have now our LCD. Let's proceed to the next step, which is we will be writing the equivalent fractions of the given rational expressions. When we say equivalent fractions, so this is the portion where they have now the same denominator, because we already get the LCD, and our LCD will be plugged down to the denominator because we are already make it in the same. Now, when we say equivalent fractions, this is the numerator. This is what we need to find. So what would be the value of numerator since we already get the LCD? So let us proceed. It goes like this. So this is the given LCD we get. Let's put it on the left side. Now what we are going to do, so again, let us copy it. Okay, so first step, you can cancel out, divide. We will have 24 divided by 8, that is 3. Okay, so why do I have m here? So again, 24 divided by 8, that is 3. Next, our m there, we have 3 minus 2, that is 1. So since 3, if our exponent is 1, we don't need to put it. We have 4 minus 4, we will have now n raised to 0. Let us put it our mind that if the exponent is raised to 0, that is always equal to 1. Even we cannot put it 1 there, so it is okay. So first step, you can cancel out, divide. We will have 24 divided by 8, that is 3. Okay, so why do I have m here? So again, 24 divided by 8, that is 3. Next, over m, there we have 3 minus 2, that is 1. So since if our exponent is 1, we don't need to put it. Now let us proceed. We have 5 times 3, that is 15m. So we can get it now be 5 times 3, m, that is 15m. So first step, we cancel out first and then evaluate the exponent or literal coefficient. And then if we already get it, we will now multiply. So 5 times 3 equals 15m. Now let us proceed to the next step. We have 24 divided by 6, that is 4. Now our m is 3 minus 3, that is m raised to 0. We don't need to write it. And the first one, that is 1. Okay, so that's why we have here n raised to 3. So we get 4 because 24 divided by 6 equals to 4. And then we can cancel out, and then 4 minus 1, that is n raised to 3. We can now simply 2 times 4 equals 8 and n raised to 3. So we are now get the equivalent fraction of this rational expression. So what is the next step? We can now add the numerators and keep the LCD or copy the LCD. So in this portion, we have plugged the denominator. Our numerator for the first expression is 15m, and the second expression is 8m cubed. Since we can't combine it because they are not like term, therefore we can sum it, and there will be our final answer.